Hey, bring some of that tea back up with you if you come. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I finished mine. Girl Scout cookies too. Yeah, no, I love them. I think Mama bought one too.
I was impressed. I only ate 2 boxes of cookies this year.
I'm proud of you.
We were doing more than that a week. And Jake and I were going to do a box of these a day. Yeah, I know.
You do good for them.
Thin Mints rock.
Yep. I like the ones with peanut butter in the middle.
Tagalongs, that's it.
Yeah, tag-along. I like them. I can get a box of them with a glass of milk.
All right. Daniel Smith.